Hello, everybody. It is my pleasure to present here the crowdfunding in Turkey. And I'm the board member of Fonbulucu, which is the leading crowdfunding platform in Turkey. And I would like to give you some more details about ourselves and the crowdfunding platform in Turkey. Fonbulucu is as I said, the leading crowdfunding platform with a market share of over 74% in Turkey, and we play a very critical role in the entrepreneurship and their access to finance. And we currently make only equity-based crowdfunding. The law was announced in 2019 in Turkey, and we get our license from Turkish board, and we first begin in Turkey. The first equity-based crowdfunding is done by us. It is announced in April 2011 and successfully finalized in May 2021. Uh, Currently, we are crowdfunding platform, but we have created VCs under us. We have a angel network. We established a special co-working space in Ankara, and we have the plan to establish these co-working spaces in another 19 cities in Turkey. And we have a digital agency which is supporting our startups during the campaigns and while after all the issues continue. What we are planning is in Turkey, the law has come out for debt-based crowdfunding. So we are on the way to get our license, and we expect a real estate-based crowdfunding will will have the law in the near future. And the next steps for us will be to establish more digital investment opportunities. Currently, we have more than 82,500 registered members. They are not all investing, but they are receiving our announcements and following the companies. So we would like to increase our registered members, which are all potential investors. The funding demand has now over $350 million, and it is increasing rapidly. Unfortunately, due of the economic issues in Turkey, lately the demand is increasing, but access to finance is becoming more and more harder. We have maintained a funding volume of over $63 million. This is all go to the companies. Most of the funding comes from really micro investors. Uh, when we compare our performance and growth, when compared to the leading platforms in the world, we do much better because this is a new system in Turkey. Our investors are learning, the community is learning. So we are rapidly growing. We have not yet received the 2024 figures, but we will see our growth further. What, what about Turkey? We have 17 registered equity-based crowdfunding platforms, but they are not all having finance rounds actively. Some of them has get the license, but doing nothing. The number of the investors are increasing. I will give more details in numbers, and more startups are on campaign, and they would like to get use of this system. So after the First successful investment round in 2021, over 140 companies had successfully reached investment, in total over 1 billion Turkish lira. This figure comes from all the platforms, and these companies are from high-tech technology companies in medical field, in games, in machinery and equipment, till to the agricultural projects. And we have a special interest, especially in agricultural projects also. As per the Turkish official investors database, MKK official reports, the number of the registered investors has increased from over 34,000 in 2023 to over 43,000. These are the people or the companies who has made at least one investment in the crowdfunding or through the crowdfunding platforms. So you can see the investors' age is more and more in the 20 to 40 ages. So we have a young investor group, especially in our investor system in Turkey. The interesting thing is the women investors are increasing more than men investors. So especially as Fonbulucu, we give an priority to women-led startups also. So this, I think, have some potential in the increasing women investors. When we see the number of the investment rounds, in 2021, it was very new. In 2022, it increased highly. But when it comes to 2023, it decreased a little. Why? Because we have some financial problems in Turkey. The interest rates has go up, and this made the investors to go more secure areas for investing. And what happened in 2024, this issue is still a problem. And our expectation is when the interest rates go down, we will have more investments from our investors. When it comes to the successful rounds, as Fonbulucu, our ratio is a little more than 80%, which is an acceptable rate when compared to the world's leading crowdfunding platforms. And the average number of investors per successfully founded companies is the biggest in Fonbulucu. The main reason is we have the biggest investors database, and in Fonbulucu, the minimum investment per company is much less than the other companies, because the other platforms have some higher minimum investment amount figures. So this allows more people to invest through these platforms. But this data shows that in Turkey, we managed the public to invest in startups. What is the average investment value is, except in one platform, which is acting like a VC, are nearby. So these numbers are increasing slowly. Uh, when it is compared in US dollar, more or less every year it is same. But because of the high inflation rate in Turkish lira, the average investment values seems to be increasing, but in reality, it is not that much. The total invested amount for successful rounds is increasing year by year. The platforms who are very serious in this area are Fon Angels, Fon Bulucu, Fon Gogo, and Fonla Büyüsün. So and Startup Bro'da. So their invested amounts are growing, and in 2024 we will see much bigger values, and the entrepreneurs will get benefit to access to finance. What about the market shares of the platforms? These values are from May to April each year. So according to this data from kifobu.com, which is a website to collecting all the data from the market and making their own tables, we are still the leading platform as Fon Bulucu, and the other platforms are growing step by step. We hope the market will grow much bigger, and even our market share comes down, our total amount of investments will grow up. So basically, these are the data from the crowdfunding ecosystem in Turkey. Unfortunately, because of the law, we cannot accept international investors at the moment, but we have studies for the change of the law, which will enable international individual or corporate investors to come to this ecosystem. But it will take some more time. But any foreigner who has a tax number in Turkey as an individual or as a company can make investments in Turkey, and we have some investors already. The process is a little long, but it can be managed successfully.